안녕하세요. 저는 마이클이에요. 반가워요. I make videos about the Korean culture, Korean fashion, Korean beauty, Korean skincare, Korean food, K-drama, and they're all in English. But I'm learning Korean. I started Monday, October 23rd, 2023, and so far I can say 저는 김치를 좋아해요. I know the alphabet, Hangul, so I can read. I'm still a beginner, but I'm very proud of my progress and also for not giving up. My goal is to understand the language, of course, hold a conversation, and get as close as possible to speaking like a native speaker because the sky is the limit. If I can make little jokes and make a Korean person laugh, I've won it all, okay? So today we're testing my Korean. Okay, so this is the first quiz that I found by typing easy Korean quiz beginner. This quiz consists of 30 questions that will test your understanding of basic Korean words and phrases. Good luck! Okay, so we have the first question. Which one of these means hello in Korean? 안녕히 가세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 죄송합니다. 안녕하세요. Yes! Which one of these means yes in Korean? 네, 아니요, 아마도. 네. Yes! Which one of these means no in Korean? 네, 아니요, 아마도. 아니요. Yeah. Which one of these means thank you in Korean? 안녕히 계세요. 죄송합니다. 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다. Which one of these means sorry in Korean? 안녕히 계세요. 죄송합니다. 안녕하세요. 죄송합니다. Which one of these means goodbye in Korean when the other person is leaving? 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕하세요. Okay, so when the other person is leaving, okay, 안녕히 가세요. When the other person is leaving is 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. The other person is leaving. Okay, yeah. 안녕히 가세요. Yes! Which one of these means goodbye in Korean when you are the one leaving? Okay, so when you are the one leaving, 안녕히 계세요. Okay, it's 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕히 계세요. How do you say 1, 2, 3 in native Korean numbers? 1, 2, 3 하나, 둘, 셋 1, 2, 3 What? I knew it. What does 주세요 mean? Have, no, thank you, please give me. 하나 주세요. Please give me. I knew it. Which of these means I have water? There is water. Okay. 있다. 물 있어요? 물 없어요? 물 주세요. 물 주세요. No. 물 없어요. No. 물 있어요. Yes! Which of these means I don't have water? There isn't water. 물 있어요? 물 없어요? 물 주세요. 물 없어요. Which of these is the verb to go? 보다, 먹다, 하다, 가다, to go, 가다. Which of these is the verb to eat? 보다, 먹다, 하다, 먹다. Which of these is the verb to see? 보다, 먹다, 하다, 보다. Yes! Which of these is the verb to do? 하다, 오다, 하다, 하다. Yes! Which of these is the correct present tense conjugation of the verb to go? I only know the present tense. So if they have questions about past or the future, I haven't learned that yet, so it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna learn. 호요, 하요, 하요. I think it's 하요. Yes. Which of these is the correct present tense conjugation of the verb to eat? 먹어요, 먹어요. Wait, 먹어요, 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 먹어요. What? It's 먹어요. Yeah. Yeah. Which of these is the correct present tense conjugation of the verb to do? 하요, 해요, 허요, 해요. That was kind of hard. Which of these is the correct past tense conjugation of the verb to meet? I don't really know about the past tense, all the future tense, so it's okay, I'm gonna learn. 만났어요? 만났어요. It's the same thing. Oh, 만났어요. Okay, no. 만났어요. What? 만났어요. I think it's 만났어요. Which of these is the correct past tense conjugation of the verb to read? I don't even know how to say to read. 읽어요. 읽었어요. 읽었어요. I don't know. I have to think. 읽었어요. No, 읽었어요. I think it's C. 읽었어요. Which of these is the correct past tense conjugation of the verb to study? 공부하다. Okay. 공부했어요. 공부했어요. I think it's 공부했어요. How do you say this thing in Korean? 이거, 저거, 그거, 그저. So it's 이거. Yes. How do you say that thing in Korean when the object is far from both the listener and the speaker? 그저. So it's not 이거, 저거, 그거. It's 저. Yes. How do you say that thing in Korean when the object is far from the speaker but close to the listener? 이그저. 이거, 저거, 크고. 이그저. So it's 크고. Yeah. Which one of these is not a day of the week in Korean? I don't know the days of the week. I wanted to have 30 out of 30, but I don't know the days of the week. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know the dates and I don't want to cheat because I want to be honest. So, 목요일, 토요일, 수요일. I have absolutely no idea. 일. 요요요, 수. I would go with the first one. That was absolutely, I don't know. 우요일. I don't even know what that means. Which one of these is not a month in Korean? 3월, 9월, 하나월. I have no idea. 9월. My first bad answer. I don't know the month. I don't know the dates. I don't know the months. I don't know. I wanted to have a good grade, but okay. Which of these is the Korean topic marking particle? Okay, so I have to 이카. So topic marker 저는 no. Okay, topic. Okay, yeah. Topic marker 저는. Object marker goes with the verb, so and subject marker is 이카. Okay, so the topic marker is yes, I knew it. Which of these is the Korean object marking particle? So object goes with the verb, so it's okay. I knew this. And last question. Which of these is the Korean subject marking particle? Subject 이카. Yes! So let's see the results. I got 96.77% on this quiz. Yes, that's good. I only got one question wrong, so yeah, that was me testing my Korean. As you saw, I only got one question wrong, but that's because I don't know the days of the week, the month, and also the numbers. I don't know how to count, but I know that I'll be learning this soon. I know that by continuing and by keeping learning this language, I will be able to reach my goal of understanding the language and holding a conversation. I really want to be able to make little jokes and make Korean people laugh. That would be really like the top of the top. If I can make a Korean person laugh, if you're Korean or if you understand Korean, write a joke in Korean in the comments and explain it so I know what you're talking about. And also, if you made it until here, comment this so I know that you have watched the video until the end and that you are a real one. My real supporters watch my videos from start to finish and they like the video and they comment and they subscribe. So, subscribe, 주세요. As you already know, my goal is to visit Korea. I am working towards that, so if this video was somehow entertaining for you or you learned something new, please say like the video, comment, share, and subscribe for more content like this. 감사합니다 for watching and 안녕! Bye!